So I had this cool idea, and I found this really nice chair at this guy's house, and I'm here on my gaming chair. I think this is gonna work. We're actually doing pretty good. It's gonna be so cool. We have El Gato waiting for us. Hey, costume. Even he doesn't know what he's looking at. Okay, after undergoing some extensive cleaning, this chair looks presentable. Check it out. Pretty dirty. I even started taking the blue off of it, so it's definitely clean. Very nice. Its geometry is convenient, but I realize I don't have wheels. I don't know, man. These things are kind of small. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, so you know what's better than 2 chairs? 3 chairs. All right, it's looking good, very solid. And here we have the attachment. Ladies and gentlemen, well, it's officially finished. Check them out. This is quite the vehicle. Up front we have the Lamborghini. In the middle we have the Rolls-Royce. And in the back, the Toyota. That's not to say one's better than the other. At the end of the day, each one can get you from point A to point B. So, now we gotta try it out. And it just so happens that tomorrow we're having a Polish party. Because why not? We got the squad. Watch out for a car.
Hey, Sarah, you want to sit in the car seat? Damn, I hear the motors.
Yeah.
They're trying their best. They're beeping for life right now.
We're doing good actually. We got the crew over here. One of the scooters died, so we had to double up. We left that son of a gun in the bushes. But come on, sit down, Ian. Yeah, we're gonna go down.
We're going down.
I gotta be careful for that. I don't know about that.
If only I recorded this sooner.
I'm in an office too. Oh shit. That's some good ass battery.
Damn it. My mouth is too dry to whistle right now.
Right, it's the day after the party, and some minor damages were sustained, but nothing that can't be fixed. This wheel right here just it speaks for itself. Every other wheel is fine though. The next thing was my lapse of judgment. I let the biggest dude sit on the smallest scooter we have, and this is what happened. This rear wheel melted. Gotta get one more wheel. This is the 6th freaking wheel I'm getting for this vehicle, but because another one is having a little burnout problem, but I swear this is the last one I'm getting. All right, so we got this guy going. Put the wheel in, and you're good as new.
Yeah, okay. Let's take you to Disney World over here.
We have 3 Daniels. Me, this dude, and that dude behind us, bro.
Daniel, bro.
All right, we're going around for one last ride. We're just coming back from a lunch. Cruise, relax, and speed bump. Bro, look at this speed bump. We dropped off our guests. We're coming back to our house. And that settles it. Overall, I'll say it was an absolute success. We came back in one piece. Nothing's falling apart. We almost lost this third passenger on that first day we went out, because these screws were like almost completely out. But we didn't lose him. That was the last round. My dad's gonna finally get his chair back. Yeah, that settles it. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps. And as always, you will see me in the next video. Goodbye. Time to shop. We have good products.
Slovak shopping. Good.